Thank you so much, Mr. Reginald. You
It's
have
okay.
shown us so many innovative ideas. So, do you have any plans of moving out of the village of Amara?
No, no,
You
not.
want to be here?
I want to be here only, like
So,
this
no
only.
plans of opening any branches?
No.
No.
Now, if my nephew wants, let him run after me and with machinery, of course.
Okay.
We are doing traditionally.
Okay. Your son has no intention to carry it forward.
At present, no.
So Reginald, you have many secrets which you don't want to reveal about your products, specific products which are, you know, like world famous.
Yeah.
So, whom you would like to give those secrets, you know?
It is, if you can say it's a family secret. They are come from my papa.
Okay.
Then to us, like my brothers, and we know. So now my intention is to show this secret to my nephew who is in IHM now.
Okay, so then your nephew will handle it for you.
Yeah.
Okay, I just saw that even the female members of your family are also very
Yes,
active
yes,
in the
yes,
whole business.
yes.
What support you get from them?
See, without their support, and of course my brothers both are there, Jomrit and Anton.
Yeah.
Without their support, and my wife is there, Rosie, and my sister-in-laws, and even my niece, they are at present not there, but they are helping morning to fill the eclairs and all that. And after that, they go to work.
Okay.
Yeah. Without their support, I would not have been able to do this.
So it's like a family business.
Yeah.
After all the hard work and eating so many eclairs, I am tired. But where is this Abhinash gone?
हॅलो झाले क्रीम इक्लेअर्स खाऊन झालं तुझं हे खाऊन पय ही टेस्ट करून पय आता खाऊन पय तेका जेनेवा पेस्ट्री म्हणटा ही खास स्पेशल फ्रेंडशिप डे दिसा केल्या तेनी
Nice, the casual layer is very tempting. I never celebrated such kind of friendship day ever before. Thank you so much.
हे खाता तो मेरे नामी धाकटोसो विसव घेऊया.
Welcome to our next segment, Guest Host Chef Kitchen.
आज आमच्या बरोबर आसात प्रसाद प्रभू. Welcome प्रसाद.
Welcome you all.
Welcome.
And I'm welcome in the Guesto Culinary and Hospitality Academy. In life, little bit of spice is required. So my next mocktail have a bit of spicy, and it's very interesting actually because I love the monsoon. I love the rains, and maybe to have a bit of spice added to it, it gives a lot of flavor to it.
Okay.
So I will start very simply. We have a crushed pepper with us at our home, easily available. So we can go with some crushed pepper. You can just have like add into the glass a little bit of cloves, maybe 2 or 3 pieces of cloves would be there, and a bit of cinnamon, like a good quality cinnamon.
I think it's going to be really very spicy.
Yes, it's actually, but a bit of cinnamon I can do. Now what exactly I will do is I'll just muddle it up. So maybe a bit of muddling is required just to open the spices up, just to give a bit of aroma out of it. And then this thing will straight away go into my shaker.
Okay.
So what I will do, I'll just put it in the shaker. Now, exotic things, coming up with the exotic juices. So I always prefer a mango juice because it's very exotic, and of course the orange juice.
Okay.
So I'll just add around 45 ml of mango juice into it, and some orange juice just to give a bit of citrusy tangy taste to it. After that, my favorite, lime juice, bartender's favorite. Around 10 ml of lime juice is enough for that. And what else? Bit of sugar, something which can add sweetness in our life. So I'm adding just sugar into it. I'll add bit of mango juice more. Now I have some ice with me. Okay, now it's very easy for me. Just to make. Now this is one of the favorite glass of bartender, martini glass.
Okay.
And as far as James Bond is concerned, he used to have some of the martinis in this. So I am really very passionate about this glass. So this is my strainer, and very simply it is. I will do it for you. A bit of spice in this. Which would be very helpful for the climate, and of course the garnish is also a special one. This is the specially prepared garnish. I'll just tell you about this. This is orange rind, and just over here I have studded with the cloves, so
Okay.
it can add up more spice to the cocktail. So of course this would be one of the very special spiced up cocktail for you.
Okay, so this is, what do we call this?
This is a spiced up because a lot of spice is there. We require a lot of spice, especially in the monsoon. So
Yes.
this is the perfect blend, what I would suggest.
Very tasty, orange, mango, and plus
Spice.
lot of spices. It has given a total different taste, and my taste buds are actually treat.
हे ड्रिंक करपा खातीर तुमकां लागतले मिरी, लवंगां, तिखी, मँगो ज्यूस, ऑरेंज ज्यूस, साखर आनी आयस. एका ग्लासान मिरी, लवंगां आनी तिखी बरी धाडप. ही धाडिल्ली तिखी, मिरी आनी लवंगां एका शेकरान घालप. तातूंत मँगो ज्यूस आनी ऑरेंज ज्यूस घालप. चवी पुरती साखर घालप. ताच्या वयर आयस घालप आनी बरें शेक करून सर्व करप.
So we are celebrating Friendship Day today. What's special for all those friends across the world?
Absolutely. Like the most important thing, like the people talk about the friendship. Actually, I think it's very difficult thing to do. But what I feel personally is that maybe I can show something very interesting, but very simple to do.
Okay.
That would be fine because I have something special for you today as far as the friendship is concerned.
That would be great.
Yeah, thank you. So what we'll do, that we have a big glass which is known as a Pilsner glass,
Okay.
and absolutely it will have a beer glass, but you have something which is very frothy and very simple to do. I'll show you. I require a few ice, so some cracked ice I'm putting inside, and after that maybe go with some apple juice.
Okay.
Very easy. Around 100 to 120 ml of apple juice you can put.
Okay.
So it gives a very glossy look. This
Actually-
is something special, like the lychee twill I have. So the lychee juice I can add.
Now this is all that juices you are using is canned juices, right?
Yes, of course you can use the canned juice because basically the apple juice you require a lot of apples
Yeah,
to
true.
take the juice. So what I suggest is you can use the canned juice because they are very easily available
Yeah,
in the
it's true,
market.
it's true.
But as far as the citrus juices are concerned, the mango juice, of course you can go and have a fresh one. So I
Yeah.
always prefer the fresh watermelon, mango, pineapple.
Yeah.
So some really interesting thing like coconut milk we have.
Okay. Again, this is fresh or it is canned?
This is two options are there. You
Okay.
can take a coconut milk of very fresh coconut, which is of course grated. Apart from that, in the market also it is easily available
Okay.
in the Tetra pack.
milk powder.
It is actually the coconut milk, so it has the coconut essence into it,
Okay.
and it is easily available in the market. So maybe around 60 ml of this you
Okay.
can definitely add into it, and it gives a very good frothy texture to it. Once this has been done, I have something very interesting which actually signifies little bit of friend or something. So I have a garnish available with me. This would be looking like something this.
Wow.
Yeah, and this might be something which is very simple and very elegant. It gives a very nice look and doesn't even understand that what exactly it would be inside.
Okay.
Maybe So that would be the first special as far as friendship is concerned.
Okay, what do we call this, Mr. Prasad?
Maybe the passion is very important for the friendship, I can consider. So I can give a name like friendship passion.
Okay.
So that would be very, very relevant name, I feel. Personally.
Okay, fine. So Avinash, happy Friendship Day. So this is friendship passion for all those friends. I will taste it. In fact, we will taste it and see how it is.
Wow, nice.
Awesome. This can be a perfect drink for all you goikas. Coconut milk, lychee and apple.
हे ड्रिंक करपा खातीर तुमकां लागतले आयस क्यूब, एप्पल ज्यूस, लीची ज्यूस, कोकोनट मिल्क आनी एप्पलाच्यो कांय स्लायसी. एका ग्लासान आयस क्यूब घालून ताजेर एप्पल ज्यूस, लीची ज्यूस आनी कोकोनट मिल्क घालप आनी ताच्या वयर एप्पलाची स्लायसींनी ते गार्निश करप.
So this was our journey in search of good food and just good food.
तुमच्या एरियेन असे काय फूड जॉइंट्स आसात आणि तांची कितें तरी स्पेशालिटी आसात जाल्यार आमकां कळयात.
You can contact us at features@prudentmedia.in.
नाजाल्यार तुम्ही आमकां कॉन्टॅक्ट करू शकतात 9011043343 or 92. For now, bye bye.
Bite, eat and stay connected with us.
And don't forget to watch our next episode at the same day and same time. Till then, keep watching Prudent Media.
Happy Friendship Day.
Count
And
boy.
What is this?
Poet. ओय अबोय असं घे नका हे खाता तो मेरेन घे खा.
This program brought to you by Guesto Culinary and Hospitality Academy. Guesto, cook and taste with a difference.
Watch Guestos Bite It on every Friday at 7:30 in the evening and 9:30 at night. You can also watch it on Sunday at 11:30 in the morning and 6 o'clock in the evening. On Tuesday, 12:30 in the afternoon and 5 o'clock in the evenings.